Asani Beauty. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. If you have not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that button so that you can go ahead and get the videos. And if you look up here, I have 2 videos that I've done regarding self-care and skincare. So I have a video here with 5 tips to maintain, to have healthy skin, healthy and clear skin. And then I also did a video breaking down the products that I use for my daily skincare routine, since I do get so many questions and comments about my skin. Now, what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to take you through my face wash using the Clarisonic. So if you haven't ever used one of these before, I'm going to run you through it, and also going to run you through my face wash that I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I like to do is I like to start with warm water. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on here, and I like to get my face a little bit wet. All right, so I get my face a little bit wet, and then I like to get my Clarisonic a little bit wet. Here we go, right here. Let me show you. And then I'm just dripping off the product here, the water. Then I'm just gonna get a couple of pumps, the Garnier here, and I kind of like move it in with my fingers to just get it started with the foam. Right? Turn that off. So I get it started with my fingers to kind of get the foam going on it, and then I'll just put what's on my fingers on my face, because I don't like to waste. And then I'm just going to get started. So this is going to take me through, I want to say 1 to 2 minutes, but for each section of your face is going to give you 2 beeps so that you can move on. So I'm going to take you through this a little bit and you can see it working. Alright, so you heard those beeps. Don't mind the little hairs on my chinny chin. Sometimes I just let them hang out, and then when I get tired of them, I'll cut them. Alright, and then that's it. So I'm going to rinse my device off, and then I'm going to rinse my face. And then I'm going to follow up with my moisturizer. Alright? So I rinse my device off, shake the water off, and I put the cap back on. And I have a tray right here, and I store my device face down. Like the tray is over my sink, so then the water can just drip down the sink and there's not a problem. So I'm going to take lukewarm water, and I'm going to just rinse my face a couple of times, and then I'm going to pat dry with a towel. Alright, so you notice some patting and not rubbing. Make sure I catch those boogers before y'all do, because you know the internet is hell. Y'all see everything. Alright, so now that I got that going, I'm going to take my First Day Beauty moisturizer here, and I'm going to just put that on my face. Alright, so it's got a little bit here. Actually, I got a lot. I didn't mean to get that much. Now I'm just going to rub that in. Alright, so that's it. We're about to be ready for some makeup. Alright. Thanks so much for watching. If you like the video, go ahead and hit like. I'll definitely post links to all the products that I use here, so if you want to go ahead and pick them up, just to let you know, there are affiliate links in here. So if you purchase, clicking on one of these links, my channel will definitely receive some financial compensation, which goes back into the channel to bring more content to you guys. So if you like the video, definitely hit like, definitely hit share, and also go ahead and shop right down here for those products that can help you get and maintain clear and healthy skin. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.